Okay. Next is rescaling. Okay. Now rescaling again is we use logarithm to rescale. First, let me show you why you need rescaling, and then we will look at how to do it. Okay. So we will do a plot, ggplot, housing df. Okay. And then geom point, we're doing a scatter plot. So AE, we're putting the AES, remember you can put AES here or there. And the difference is if you put in the root, then that AES will propagate to all the code that comes after it. But if you put the AES within a geom, then it applies only to that geom and it won't propagate anywhere else. Okay, so x equal to crim and y equal to the target med v. Okay. Now when you run that, and you see there's something strange going on in the scatter plot. See, there's a whole lot of points right here near 0. Okay, so there may be some relationship in this bunched up little sliver that we are not seeing because they are all so close. Okay, so if we can rescale the variable and expand it, there may be something there that we can look at. Okay? And you can do that using scale. So I'm going to copy paste that code. Okay. So now we are going to say, all right, I'm going to do scaling. I want the x-axis, because it's all bunching up here, right? So if we can expand the x-axis, so scale x log 10. Okay. So it's a logarithm to the base 10. And let's see what happens here. Okay, so it expands it out. You see better. So there is a kind of a downward move where there are a lot of variation. Okay. Now you can control the format here. Okay, so if you don't like, this is in scientific notation. So we can say, all right, so I want format here. So we can say breaks equal to, so where do we want breaks? So say 10 to the power of -1 to 2. So 10 to the power of -1 should be like 1. And then it will go 0, so 10 to the power of 0, and then 10 to the power of 1, and 10 to the power of 2. There will be the breaks. Okay. And then we can say labels. Okay. Labels equal to, and then we can do a format. So we don't want scientific format, like 1 plus e to the power and so on. So we can say, I want to format the labels 10 to the power of -1 to 2. So these are the breaks, and at those breaks, these numbers will be printed, and the format is going to be scientific equal to false. Okay. And then we can do, okay, let's see. You can drop the trailing 0 if you like. And you can similarly do, if you want logarithm for y-axis as well, okay, not just the x-axis, then you can say scale y log 10, and then you can say breaks equal to, I don't know, so 5, 10, 20, 40, 50. Okay. So now you see the distance between 10 and 20 is different from 20 and 40 and 40 and 50. That's because it is in logarithmic scale. Okay. You can do the same thing with the box plot as well. Okay. So same code. If you want to do box plot instead of scatter plot with logarithmic scale, okay, use the logarithmic scale there. Okay. All right, we have a couple of more plots to look at. Then we should be able to finish up chapter 3 next time and start chapter 4 next time. Okay. All right. See you Thursday.